What if there was a way to manifest with ease and certainty, a method that taps into limitless potential? The infinity method might be just the key you're looking for. In this video, we'll look into this powerful approach to manifesting your desires by working with the energy of infinity itself. Let's explore how this method works and why it can be a game changer for bringing your dreams into reality. The infinity method centers around one core belief: the energy we put out is part of an infinite loop. This concept goes beyond standard affirmations or visualizations. It's about recognizing that every thought, feeling, and intention is a powerful seed that cycles back to us. When you understand that every intention you send out into the universe flows back in some form, you start to see the impact of your mindset and emotions. This loop of energy means that your thoughts are like magnets, attracting experiences that match their frequency. Instead of focusing on what you lack, the infinity method encourages you to focus on abundance, love, and gratitude. By doing so, you set up a flow of positive energy that keeps returning, amplifying with each cycle. The beauty of this method is that it isn't limited by time or space. It's about creating a continuous flow that transcends the present moment. When you put out positive, powerful intentions, you're setting up a future that aligns with those energies. This infinity loop keeps working behind the scenes even when you're not actively thinking about it. This principle of infinity reminds us that we're always part of something greater. As you incorporate this idea, notice how your perspective shifts. Life becomes less about reaching a specific end goal and more about staying in a positive flow, knowing that your dreams are constantly in motion. In the infinity method, setting intentions is about much more than just stating what you want. It's about connecting deeply with your desires, feeling the emotion behind them, and allowing that feeling to guide your thoughts and actions. When your intention is fueled by true emotion, it creates a stronger imprint in the infinite loop of energy. Take time to clarify what you truly want. The clearer your intention, the more powerful the energy you send out. Focus on why this desire matters to you, how it will enhance your life, and what emotions it stirs in you. Connecting on this level strengthens your intention, making it resonate more deeply in the universe. Once your intention is clear, visualize it as a reality. Imagine the details, feel the joy of having already achieved it, and let yourself experience that moment fully. This visualization sends a message to the universe that you're ready and open to receive. Next, release the intention. Trust that it's already making its way back to you. The infinity method emphasizes the power of detachment, allowing your desires to manifest without interference. This act of release is a sign of trust, knowing that the universe will respond at the perfect time. Revisit this intention regularly, refreshing the emotional connection and reaffirming your openness to receive. Each time you do, you're reinforcing the loop, keeping the energy active and vibrant. A unique feature of the infinity method is the use of the infinity symbol itself. Visualizing your desires within this symbol can amplify your energy and help you focus on the continuous flow of abundance. Picture the infinity sign in your mind and see your desires flowing through its loops, moving back and forth effortlessly. The symbol acts as a powerful reminder of the cycle of energy you're creating. Imagine your intention entering one side of the infinity loop and returning on the other side, bringing your desire closer to reality. This exercise makes the process of manifestation feel more tangible and allows you to see your intentions in motion. Using the infinity symbol also helps keep you grounded and focused. It gives you a visual anchor, a reminder that your desires are not stagnant but constantly circulating within the universe. This imagery reinforces the idea that your energy is continually building and expanding. This method also helps cultivate patience. By focusing on the cycle, you begin to appreciate the flow and release the urge to control timing. The symbol's unbroken line reminds you that everything is moving forward, even if you can't see the progress immediately. When you visualize your goals within the infinity symbol, you're placing them in a powerful cycle of return. Each visualization strengthens the loop, drawing your desires closer and closer to you. The infinity method isn't just about asking for what you want, it's about embodying the feeling of abundance now. This means shifting your focus from "I need this" to "I am already surrounded by abundance." When you feel abundant in the present, you naturally attract more of it. Practice finding abundance in your current life. This could be anything from appreciating a sunny day to feeling grateful for supportive friends. By recognizing the abundance that's already present, you're sending a signal to the universe that you're open to receiving more. This sense of abundance isn't limited to material things. Accept the feeling of love, joy, and satisfaction. The more you embody these positive energies, the stronger the signal you send out into the infinity loop. Acting from a place of abundance also means letting go of fears around scarcity. Trust that the universe has plenty to give and that there is enough for everyone. This belief in unlimited resources strengthens your connection to the infinity loop and aligns you with the flow of abundance. When you feel abundant now, you begin to radiate that energy outward. The infinity loop picks up on this energy, amplifying it and attracting even more abundance into your life. Affirmations are another key component of the infinity method. By repeating positive statements, you reinforce your intentions and keep your focus aligned with your desires. Affirmations send out a consistent message into the infinity loop, making your intentions more potent over time. Choose affirmations that resonate deeply with your desires. Phrases like "I am open to limitless abundance" or "My life is filled with positive energy and opportunities" help set a positive, expectant tone. Repeat these affirmations daily, letting them sink into your subconscious. Affirmations also help to counteract doubt. If negative thoughts creep in, use your affirmations as a reset, bringing your mind back to a place of positivity and belief. This practice keeps your energy aligned with your intentions and strengthens the flow within the infinity loop. Visualize your affirmations entering the infinity symbol where they continuously cycle back to you. Imagine these statements growing stronger with each loop, enhancing the energy of your intentions. This imagery keeps you connected to your goals and the flow of abundance. Affirmations remind you that your desires are within reach. Each time you say them, you reinforce your belief in the manifestation process, aligning yourself with the infinite possibilities ahead. Manifestation using the infinity method requires cultivating both patience and trust in the process. While it's natural to want immediate results, the loop of infinity teaches us that everything unfolds in perfect timing. When we approach manifestation with trust, we release the anxiety that can sometimes block our progress. Instead, we are open to the natural flow, knowing that the universe is working in harmony with our desires. Practicing patience shifts our focus from impatience and lack to a more peaceful mindset that accepts the journey. This approach allows us to enjoy each step and recognize small signs that our desires are indeed manifesting. When you trust the process, you start to see little affirmations along the way that signal you're on the right track, even if the full outcome hasn't appeared yet. A powerful way to nurture patience is to remind yourself that your desires are already in motion, thanks to the infinity loop. Even if you can't see them yet, they're circulating through the loop and drawing closer. By letting go of control over the timing, you remove resistance and open yourself to receive the manifestation more smoothly and naturally. Every moment spent in patience and trust strengthens the infinity loop cycle of positive energy. Each time you let go of impatience, you invite even more abundance into your life. Trusting the process is a message to the universe that you believe in its timing and guidance, reinforcing the powerful flow you've created with the infinity method. Gratitude is an essential component of the infinity method as it helps to amplify and sustain the positive energy circulating through the infinity loop. When you focus on gratitude for what you already have, you generate a powerful energy that attracts more blessings into your life. This energy of thankfulness radiates outward, strengthening the flow of abundance that returns to you. To incorporate gratitude, take time each day to acknowledge what's already good in your life, whether it's something big or small. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a supportive friend. When you actively recognize these gifts, you send a message to the universe that you are receptive and appreciative, keeping the infinity loop energized. Gratitude also grounds you in the present moment, helping to balance the forward-looking nature of manifestation with the richness of the here and now. Instead of focusing only on what you want to achieve, gratitude reminds you that you're already blessed. This balance enhances the positivity you project, encouraging the infinity loop to bring even more into your experience. By making gratitude a daily habit, you align yourself with the flow of abundance. The more thankful you are, the more reasons the universe will give you to feel that way. Gratitude, therefore, becomes a powerful affirmation on its own, telling the universe that you're ready to receive and grateful for all that's on its way. Joyful expectation is the final piece of the infinity method puzzle, enhancing your manifestation journey by keeping you excited and optimistic. When you expect your desires to come true with joy rather than doubt, you align yourself with the high-frequency energy that attracts positive outcomes. This sense of joyful anticipation builds momentum in the infinity loop, helping your intentions manifest faster. Cultivating joyful expectation means practicing faith and focusing on the thrill of your desires coming true. Visualize yourself living the life you're manifesting and allow yourself to feel the happiness of already having it. The joy you feel will amplify your connection to the infinity loop, allowing your desires to flow back to you effortlessly. Avoid the trap of attaching too much pressure to a specific outcome. Instead, view your manifestations as exciting possibilities rather than rigid demands. By keeping your expectations flexible and joyful, you keep the energy flowing without the blockages that can come from fear or frustration. This approach allows you to manifest with ease, knowing that whatever comes will be for your highest good. Joyful expectation also uplifts your daily life, making you more aware of all the good that surrounds you. When you live with this outlook, you're naturally aligned with the energy of the infinity loop, attracting positive experiences and outcomes. Expecting good things without stress or desperation invites the universe to surprise you with abundance. The infinity method offers a profound approach to manifestation by harnessing the limitless flow of energy. By focusing on alignment, visualization, abundance, and affirmations, you create a powerful loop that continuously brings your desires closer. Each step adds momentum, allowing you to manifest from a place of joy and belief. If this approach resonates with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that explores the art of manifestation.